This is camp for a couple of days, but it's a beautiful thing, and we're right at the river. Rogers Creek has 14 campsites. There are 5 of them down here, and so yeah, you can just see the river from there. So yeah, and we're nestled in the shade, not far from the highway, but the sound of the river down there blocked out any sound that we heard from traffic for sure. So yeah, so that's camp.
Hey there, interwebs, we're back for another motorcycle adventure. For us, we're either riding our dirt bikes on the back roads of the Cariboo region of British Columbia, camping at the local area rec sites, or we're doing longer distance adventure motorcycling on our Honda NX500s. Whichever we do, along the way we talk about the bikes, the equipment we use, and the experience, filming using GoPros and drones. We'd love to have you along for the ride, so jump on the back of the bikes. Let's go.
I am going to do a review, a better review, an actual review on the Big Agnes 4. It is a fantastic thing, and we like it a ton. So we've used it a few times now.
It has a back exit as well.
It has a back exit, which has this little vestibule in the back. It's got a superstructure that goes together in about 5 minutes, top to bottom, soup to nuts. You can put this thing up. There's a warning on it that says practice at home first because you might bicker a little bit. And the first time, maybe we bickered a little bit because we didn't practice none. Maybe a little bit. The second time wasn't as bickery, and this time we didn't bicker at all. And this thing here zips down and closes off in the evening. So the whole thing, it took us, we rolled in at dark, and we had it set up within about 5 to 8 minutes. Some people have accused us of glamping. Maybe that's right, but there's nothing better than getting up in the morning and being able to stand up upright. That's her. Big Agnes Bunkhouse 4. Perfect. Well, we hiked up Little Road. See the big mountain over there, and we found this. So clearly no longer functional. Yeah, torn to absolute shreds. Not much of anything left. And then I used it for a hunting camp. You see how full this thing. It's a cross-country ski, baby. We're halfway there. Looks like somebody lived here for a time, I would say. Yeah. What's left of it? Oh, here's this other ski. They're all set. And there's football down there. It looks like they had a fire in their water heater.
Service road.
Yeah, it's pretty wrecked. Anyway, that's what's up here. Beautiful place to live, though, if you were living here. Have a little quad down.
Look at that.
I know.
Wow.
They harvested that timber up in there.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
What a view.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a spectacular place. Yeah. So we came this way. A little bridge. This is at the other end of the campsite, not the one we're staying at. And then there's another little bridge here, covered bridge, over this, which clearly comes off the mountain and goes down into there, which is pretty impressively cool. See how far this thing goes, this trail over on. And the trail led right back to our little camp. So here we are, back in camp. There's Spunky. That's me. Sorry, I'm not better looking.
Shush.
Thank you, Spunky. I love you.
I love you too.
So,
I do.
I know you do. I love you too. So we're going to try this thing. It's called a Steri pen.
Steri pen. Our
And-
friend Noreen told us about this.
Yeah.
River water, not filtered. We're gonna turn it on.
And then you hold
We're
that
gonna
down in
put
there.
it in, and we're gonna stir
And
until I get the happy face.
there's a little happy face. Let's see this. Right. So there's a little happy face emblem on there that we will get to. And
I'll give you a warning when it's getting close. All right, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy face.
there we go. A little happy face there. And that water. This house is clean.
This house is clean.
Hey, that's the Steri pen.
Caroline.
Caroline, go into the light, Caroline. You're in the light, Caroline. This is a great thing too. This is this new jet boil we got. So it's got a little on-off switch there and self-lighter. And it's just the best thing. We are packing up. It is, any thoughts on what time it is?
9:43.
9:43, and we're largely interior packed. I have a phone somewhere. I don't know what I've done with it. There it is. Largely packed in the interior, and we're just getting set to head out. We had a good night, yes?
Yep.
It was cool, yeah?
It was cool.
We had it was perfectly clear at night. So it was cool. So yeah, it was good. It was a good camp. We had an awesome time.
We did.
We did. So yeah, so that's early morning report. We've had one coffee, we're gonna have another. This jet boil is fantastic. It's performing perfectly. So we're happy about that. And then we'll call it for Rogers Creek. So there'll be more on the road, I'm sure. I had to change battery because the other one was limping its way through the last of its life. So anyway, later.
We're leaving Rogers Creek, heading home. Gorgeous view of the mountain.
That
wow.
is a gorgeous view of the mountain. Wow.
Yeah. Doesn't get prettier than that.
Oh.
We had a great camping weekend.
That was fantastic.
It's a gorgeous day for riding home.
Are you guys okay? Okay. To the picnic area? Whoa, 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 whoa. They got collector plates on, so they're...
Go the other way. Go the other way. Go. Follow your group.